Yeah. Listen, Big Mac.
Hi Paula. First of all, congratulations because you made it into the top 10.
What?
Out of 30,000, you're one of the finalists. I'm so excited for that, and I would be so excited to meet you and tell you this in person. And I would love to surprise you. I would love to come to New Zealand. We decided that it's just not reasonable to fly to New Zealand for just 1 day or 2 days. So what we want is that we can kind of virtually spend 1 day with you, that you take us to all your places and you just like document 1 day of you. Sending a big hug to New Zealand. Bye!
Yay! Oh shit! This. Oh. Right. Good morning. This is my view when I wake up. Start the day like this. My name is Paula and I made it to the top 10. This is the boat I take to work. I don't think a lot of people can say that, to take the boat to work. I think it's pretty cool. Hi. I just want to show you a little bit where I work. So I work on a sheep farm, and actually I work right there, so in that wool shed, where I make lunches for everyone who does the tour. And I'm just gonna show you a little bit about the ground here. So we have a lot of sheep right there. And Khan! We have a dog called Khan. He never listens. So this is Khan. And Khan likes to go to that lady over there. Back to his missus. They're like, what are they doing? That's scary. And we have some little pigs here, but they're pretty scared because we just got them. What did you eat? It's so cute. Hey, Lucky. He always likes to come in, come and say hi. Even though he knows he's not supposed to be here. Yes, come on. Daylight on the farm. So this is my favorite bar where I always go and get a drink. So what I love the most about this bar is the toilet. Just have a look at it. Hi guys! Cheers! So yeah, I'm from Queenstown. Actually originally from Holland, but I live in New Zealand for now on a working holiday visa. And Queenstown is such a bubble. It's like summer camp without any adults, and it just goes so quick and everything has just changed so much. But it's lovely. It's a place like this, you get stuck.